Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. Today I am going to share with you orange peel toner with herbal leaves. For making this orange peel toner, turn on the flame, place a pan with 1.5 glass water. Next add the pieces of fresh orange peel. Orange peel is rich with vitamin C and it contains essential citrus oil. Next I am going to add guava leaves. It contains copper. Guava leaves helps to slow down the process of hair graying. Also it promotes hair growth. Add 4 to 5 fresh guava leaves. Next I am going to add some hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus leaves contains amino acid which helps to moisturize our scalp and helps to make frizz free hair. Next I am going to add some bay leaves. Bay leaves have antifungal and antibacterial properties which helps to prevent dandruff from your scalp. Also it reduces the itchiness of our scalp. Cook all these ingredients over medium to low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes I am going to add some green tea. Add a tablespoon green tea. Stir in between and cook over medium to low flame for about 7 to 8 minutes until color change. After 6 to 7 minutes, when 1/4 part of this extract will reduce, then turn off the flame and allow it completely cool. Apply this hair toner after every wash. Whenever you will do shampoo, then rinse your hair with this hair toner. Your hair will become glossy, shiny, and it will reduce hair fall if you regularly follow this remedy. If you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.